something just happened that could be very bullish for the markets, and that is something we must address here in a very short video. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is not my usual attire. It is pretty damn hot outside right now, so thank you guys for bearing with me, and let's get straight into this information. As you guys know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all of that good stuff. This is very bullish, and I hope you guys are excited as well. So let's dive into this video. If you guys want access to all of my trades in real time, starting off a new quarter, starting off the second half of the year, let's get to it. Link down below in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. But this just came across the newswire. Russia defaults on its foreign currency sovereign debt for the first time in a century. Now, why is this important? Well, there's two aspects of this to consider. There is the hedge fund exposure. There is business in Russia that is going to be hit. All of that could be seen as a bullish thing for AMC stock, but that's not really what I want to focus on here on this video, because I think there is something that is even much more bullish than that, and that is really where Russia is as a country and what has been dragging down the markets so much as of the last 3 to 6 months. Well, it's high energy cost, aka high inflation. Same thing, high food cost, high inflation, right? The single most bullish thing that could happen is the war in Ukraine ending because of those factors. You're going to bring down inflation. You're going to bring down, future expectations of inflation, and the Fed won't have to raise rates as aggressively. This is what has beaten down all of the entire stock market. Really, you could boil one thing down and like say, hey, this is what is causing the pain in the markets. It is the war in Ukraine. It is the inflation that is being caused by that, and how that seeps into all other businesses. It's not just the price of oil. It's not just the price of a gallon of gasoline. You at the pump, what you are paying. Yes, that sucks, but it's also affecting every other business in the world. Higher transportation cost, higher production cost. Everything in the world is touched by oil in one form or the other. So what do businesses do? They go ahead, pass on that cost to you, the end consumer. Now, why is this so good that Russia just defaulted on their debt? Well, this is why Russia sold Alaska to America in the first place, because war is expensive. Russia has been no stranger to war, reaching a peak of 8,600,000 square miles in size. Expanding to such a degree doesn't come without some conflict. The cost of war has always been high, even for an empire of such size, and this has become very apparent after the Crimean War of 1853 to 1856, suffering defeat at the hand of the Allies after an unsuccessful campaign to cut the Ottoman Empire down to size. The Russian Empire was on its knees economically. The war put the country in bankruptcy, losing naval dominance over the Black Sea as part of the Treaty of Paris, destroyed one of the empire's biggest trading assets, further worsening their economic situation. The Tsar needed money to modernize and rebuild, and he needed it quickly. So that is why they sold Alaska to America. Now, there's different versions of exactly why this happened, but it's widely known that Russia was in dire financial straits, and they essentially had to do something about it because war is expensive, and that is what is happening again. So you really don't have much of an option if you are Russia but to essentially end the war and end it soon, because your country is going into bankruptcy. So financially speaking, the war looks like it is close to coming to an end, and that is going to be a very, very bullish thing for the stock market. So that is going to be this short, sweet, straight to the point, quick update that I wanted to bring to you guys. I did not plan to make this video, but when that hit the newswire, I could not help myself because of how important it could be for the stock market. Futures, as of right now, down about 0.5%. The initial reaction from this is going to be very bearish, but I do expect we should have a very strong bullish rally once markets realize that, hey, Russia cannot finance this war. They're going to have to end this quicker than not. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, source your comments, questions, or concerns down below in the comment section. Make sure to get your free stock with Webull, Moomoo, and Public down below in the description of this video. And if you guys want to come join the trading community, link down below in the pinned comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.